Teeming. The street was teeming with tourists. Botched. This is botched work. Probe. Probe is useful in measuring current. Pathetic. She looked very pathetic. Flaws. Everything has flaws. Autopsies. Autopsies determine the cause of death. Hazardous. Hazardous. Smoking is hazardous to health. Gastrointestinal. The image shows the gastrointestinal tract. Cardiovascular. He is suffering from a cardiovascular disease. Congested. The market is congested with people. Recipe. These are the ingredients according to the recipe. Precaution. She wears seat belts as a precaution. Rain. She grabs the rain. Rampant. Her eating habit is rampant. Devaluation. Devaluation of share market has happened. Inflationary. Petrol prices show inflationary rise. Lentils. Lentils are about to get cooked. Naive. The children are naive. Trajectory. Trajectory of the rocket is seen in the sky. Staggered. She staggered while walking. Spared. The judge spared him from punishment. Erodes. Water currents erode the soil. Mandated. Traffic rules are mandated for everyone. Deadline. She is close to the deadline. Assertions. The lawyer is presenting his assertions. Charade. Their friendship is a charade. Indignation. People were filled with indignation. Curtailing. The bank interest charges a curtailing. Ineptitude. Her social ineptitude. Shenanigans. Shenanigans were done between them. Crudely. They responded crudely. Thwarted. She thwarted him from cooking.